Hi, how are you? Welcome to MFS. Let's get into today's story. Drama alert in Mizansi pop culture. DJ Zinhle's marriage is under fire as it's alleged that her husband, Bongani Mordahbongz, is cheating with a much younger woman named Kimberly. The shocking tea was spilled by none other than Musa, the Pope of pop culture himself. Now, social media is in chaos, with many reminding Zinhle of the time her baby daddy, the late rapper aka, cheated on her with Bongani Mateba. At the time, Zinhle reportedly went after Bonani's brand deals, but many say she spared aka, who also had major sponsors. And just when we thought things couldn't get messier, an alleged open letter written by Zinhle to one of Bonani's sponsors has resurfaced. Let's read what it said and why it's got everyone talking again. The week before our daughter was born, I found out about an affair between Kiernan, the father of my child, and Bonang Matheba. I also received confirmation of all rumors through an honest conversation which I had with Kiernan, who confirmed that the affair had been going on for over 5 months. I will always respect him for his honesty. I have dealt with this and found peace with his choice. After the release of our first statement regarding the separation, I felt that there was no need to go into details about the reasons. However, after the continued public display of Kiernan and Bonang's relationship as well as the commentary surrounding it, it has become important for me to affirm my power as a woman, my strength of character, my continued focus on my work, and my commitment to being a positive role model. As I transition into a new phase of my life, navigating motherhood, work, family, friends, I want to look back at this moment and be proud of the choices I made as a role model, not only for any women going through a hard time, but for my little Cairo, who I hope will pull strength and find courage to choose herself and trust in her own power. But social media hasn't forgotten how Zinhle got with Bongz either. It's alleged that Bongz left his girlfriend, who had just given birth, to be with her. And now, people are saying Kimberly might be the third woman in this story. Talk about full circle drama. Still, DJ Zinhle and Bongz have always shown off a happy, loving marriage online. So, did Bongz really slip up? Or is this just social media stirring the pot again? Let's hear what you think. Is this karma, coincidence, or just gossip gone wild? Now, whether the letter was truly written by DJ Zinhle or not, that's still up for debate. But one thing's for sure, social media is revisiting the entire saga as Bong's alleged affair makes headlines. Do you think history is repeating itself, or is Zinhle just being unfairly dragged into old drama? Next on the docket is Grace is currently receiving a wave of online backlash after posting 2 controversial videos. In the first one, she announced an Essentials giveaway, but viewers accused her of being tone-deaf and condescending, saying her delivery made it seem like she was doing charity for clout. Many people felt the video lacked sincerity, especially considering her influencer status. Then, things escalated when Grace asked her followers to make videos explaining why they deserve to be invited to her birthday party. This rubbed people the wrong way, with critics calling it embarrassing, classist, and out of touch. Some said it turned her fans into contestants just for a chance to party with her. However, her supporters argue that it's all being blown out of proportion, saying Grace was just trying to engage her audience in a fun and creative way, not demean them. Comment your thoughts down below and let me know what you think about this whole situation. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates on this story. I'll chat with you later.